Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A53, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this device. And all you really need to do is open up the content that you wish to capture, which I'm going to use settings as an example. And from there, simply hold power key and volume down. You'll get this image right here to signify that you have captured your screenshot, and that's about it. Now, to find that screenshot, all you need to do is go into your photo gallery once I actually find it, because there is an absolute mess of icons everywhere. Oh wow. Oh, there we go. Photos finally. And now let's go to albums, and in here we should have screenshots. And as you can see, there is our image along with basically every other screenshot that was captured. And that is how you would capture a screenshot. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.